Gina Show, cooking with Jen, drinking with Gina. Today I have a special little guest. I think you may have met her before. This is Madeline, my daughter. Can you say hi to everyone?
Hi.
Madeline, how old are you?
9.
We just had a birthday not too long ago. Now she's... Oh, we did. We went to Utah. We had a lot of fun. We got a cabin. What'd you do? Went on hikes. Yeah? Louder. They can't hear you.
We stayed in a pretty nice cabin. It had a balcony, some secret rooms.
Oh, secret rooms. Yeah, we won't tell them about the secret rooms. Those were a little scary. But anyways, we are going to be baking today some yummy cookies. Do you remember which ones we're making? You don't remember? What are we making? We are making our chocolate tuxedo stuffed marshmallow cookies. They are so good. They're like double chocolate, white chocolate chips. We're gonna stuff them with marshmallows. I think those are your favorite, aren't they? This is a marshmallow eater. Anyways, I've got over here some of our basic ingredients that we're gonna be using to make our cookies. See, we've got our flour, we've got salt, brown sugar, we have white sugar, we have cocoa, vanilla, our chocolate chips, our eggs, and our marshmallows, and all the other good stuff. Already got it pre-measured out in the back over here. But if you get ready and come a little closer, get all your stuff together, your ingredients, and we'll get baking.
Here we have 1 cup of butter softened and melted. Here we have 1 cup of white sugar. Here we have 1 cup of brown sugar.
Oh, I love it. Mix, mix, mix.
Crack in 1 large egg.
Mix it real good.
And then another large egg.
Oh, I love it.
Mix, mix, mix. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. 2 cups of all-purpose flour.
Mix, mix, mix.
Now we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of baking soda. And now 1 teaspoon of salt. 1/3 cup of cocoa powder.
Unsweetened.
Mix, mix, mix.
I love it.
1½ cups of chocolate chip semi-sweet. 1½ cups of white chocolate chips. 2 cups of small marshmallows.
Oh, my favorite.
Now roll them up.
Now time to bake at 375.
For about 10 or 12 minutes.
Be sure to let cool for at least 10 minutes, then serve. All right, and looks like they are all done and they look amazing. What do you think, Maddie?
They're really good.
Yes, they look great. You tried one already? You snuck one when I wasn't looking? Oh my goodness. Well, you're gonna have to have another one, I guess. I mean, it's gonna be a dentist trip for me. Ugh. All right, go ahead and open it up and tell me, show them the marshmallow, the melt. It's really good. It's a big one. Break it open. Ooh, let me see here. Oh my goodness. Did you see that? All the marshmallow? Don't make a mess. Look at you. I'm making a mess over here. Here we go. Go ahead and just break it in half. That looks delicious. All right, so if you look at the marshmallow right here, you can see, hold on. Ooh, go ahead and do me a favor and take a bite of that. Is that good? All right. Let's get a good look on the yummy marshmallow. Can you see it? See how good that is? It's delish. All right, so it looks like you know how we're going to be spending our night. We're going to be eating cookies and watching a little Gilmore Girls. And, you know, I'm going to probably have the biggest tummy ache of all nights with all this sugar, but it looks amazing and I can't wait to eat it. So, again, tell me what you think, Maddie. Take one more bite. Oh, is it my turn? Okay. I love it. So don't forget to what, Maddie?
Give a big thumbs up.
Like and subscribe.
Make the subscribe from red to gray and hit the bell and subscribe all.
I mean, this is my new manager. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoy our cookies. Tell us what you think.